What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to talk about some of the tools that I use for affiliate marketing. But first of all, let me show you quickly some of my results by promoting other people's products. Let me refresh the page. And as you can see, so this is my affiliate dashboard for Freedom Accelerator. This is the high ticket product that I promote. I have right now $813 in unpaid earnings. I have sent to this company 22 customers, 142 referrals, and 599 clicks. This company pays 40% commission, and these are my affiliate links. If someone buys from any of these links, I can make a commission. Now let me show you another example. This is my affiliate dashboard for Funnel Freedom. Funnel Freedom is a software. This is a tool that I use for affiliate marketing. They pay 40% commission as well, and I only have one customer here, $38 in unpaid earnings. And if I scroll down, this is my affiliate link. So they only have this default link. Now, talking about the tools that I use, so the first one is ClickFunnels, and I have been using this funnel builder for many years. And as you can see, I have here my funnels. For example, this is one for my free training. This is for my email list training. I have another funnel for my Spanish audience because I have a Spanish YouTube channel. This one is to promote the 5-second silent method. This one to promote the 72-hour challenge. And as you can see, this one was a funnel for a product that I tested from the Hotmart marketplace. So this one is a Spanish marketplace. It's like ClickBank, but for Spanish, for a Spanish audience. I have here all this is a share funnel. I built this one for the 5-second silent method for my TikTok account, Legendary Marketer, and this is a white label course for Freedom Breakthrough. And as you can see, I have here all my funnels, and let me show you, for example, one of my funnels, because so this one, so I have collected leads that utilizing all of these funnels, right? But let me show you, for example, the 5-second silent method TikTok, the Hotmart yoga facial, this one, because I'm using this one. This one is I'm sending traffic to this funnel, and you're going to see that. So a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically this funnel has 3 steps, and I'm collecting emails, I'm collecting leads by just sending traffic to this opt-in page. So this is the capture page, and here we have the steps: step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. Basically, this is a tool that I have been using, and this is a really cool tool, guys. So the first one is ClickFunnels. Now let me show you the second one that I use for affiliate marketing, and it's GetResponse. So I'm using GetResponse for my email sequence and for email marketing and to store my contacts. And as you can see, these are my list. I have right now 1,401 leads. Today I have 1 new contact. And if I click on email marketing, basically what I do with GetResponse is that I send emails to promote products. I click here on email marketing, and I have, so these are the newsletters that I have sent to my email list. And I just need to click here on create a newsletter, and then write the email and put my affiliate link inside of that email. I use GetResponse as well for my nurturing sequence. I'm going to click here on automation, and you're going to see in the screen that I have here. So these are the email sequence that I have active: the 72-hour challenge for Accelerator. This is for my website, my free training. This one is for Freedom Breakthrough. I have another one for my Spanish audience, and this one was promoted. So these one are on draft, these ones. And I have active, and I have these ones active. So these are the email sequence. So basically, when someone opting in their information in one of my funnels, those people are going to start receiving my emails, and inside of the emails they will find my affiliate links. Now let me show you another tool that I'm using for affiliate marketing. So this is a brand new software that Jonathan Montoya launched recently. The name is Funnel Freedom. Basically, I bought this software because it has a 7 figures done for you affiliate system. So it has a funnel and it has the nurturing sequence, because with ClickFunnels and GetResponse I needed to build all this stuff, or for example like downloading and although this one is a done for you funnel, this funnel exactly, but the cool thing about Funnel Freedom is that we have already here a funnel. We have the funnel that we can use to collect emails, and we have as well the lead magnet. And for this funnel is a free course. We are giving away a free course. So let me show you the magic of this software, which is this page, Funnel Freedom. And basically I bought this software because it has the products, it has this done for you system, it has the lead magnet, it has the sales funnel, and basically it's like super easy to set up this and start sending traffic to this page. So this isn't like, so this is similar to ClickFunnels and GetResponse, but it has a system that is already set up for affiliate marketers. So basically that was the reason because I bought it. And here, as you can see, so I click here on Funnel Freedom, and these are all my affiliate links for all of these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success, System.io, Repurpose.io, vidIQ, Visla. And I'm promoting all of these products, but just so what I did here was that I copy and pasted my affiliate links in all of these spaces, and then I clicked on update affiliate links, and then I start sending traffic to the funnel that is already here. So basically Funnel Freedom it's like similar to GetResponse and ClickFunnels combined together, right? But the cool thing that I was talking about is that here we have this system that allows us for affiliate marketers to promote all of these products, and we have already the nurturing sequence that we don't need to write. So it's already set up. We just need to put our affiliate links, set up well the system, set up properly the system, and then start sending traffic to the opt-in page or the capture page. Check this out. I have right now 53 people enrolled on the welcome sequence. So these are all the email sequence: the welcome sequence, the first 60-day nurturing sequence, the second one, the third one, and so on and so forth. We have all of these, and all of those sequences has emails, and inside of the emails people are going to find the products, my affiliate links for all of the products that I just show it to you. So basically that is the main reason why I bought this software, and I'm using it to promote all of those products. And right now, for example, in the welcome sequence I have 8 people active, and on this one I have 37, and on the third this is like on the third one I have only 8. So but you can utilize Funnel Freedom as well to build your own funnels if you want. You can click here on new funnel and build a funnel from scratch. But I think that for an affiliate marketer it's better to use this done for you system because like it's already set up. But this is only to promote all of those products, because if you want to promote another product for another niche, that for that case you are going to need to create your own funnel, because this one only works for the products that I just showed it to you. So, and those are ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and Funnel Freedom. These are like my main softwares that I use for my affiliate marketing business, guys. If you want to get access to Funnel Freedom, so they have a 14-day free trial, and you can check it out by yourself. These 7 figures done for your system. If you want, you can click the link in the description that says Funnel Freedom. And if you want to get access to my #1 training on how to promote high-ticket products, you can click the first link in the description. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and talk to you soon, and God bless.